Sorry guys, I'm super fucking sore. All right, so welcome back guys. This isn't gonna be my intro, so I'm not even gonna bother. However, I know you guys recognize these boxes behind me because they are the same boxes that I used for the card box that I made for my mom's Tiffany and Co themed birthday party. I will link that right here for you guys to go watch. However, now I was asked to make another one, basically. So Denzel's grandma's 91st birthday is tomorrow, and it's a different theme. So of course, you know your girl is upcycling and reusing what she already has. So we are going to be repainting the box to match her theme. It's actually like pink, springy, pastel type colors. However, there's a lot of pink. So I decided to do this color. It's called Dreamy Lavender by Rust-Oleum, just to give the party a little bit of contrast. I'm gonna be doing a couple other things, so I figured why not record it and have you guys watch me. So yeah, I'm kind of in a rush, waited till the last minute, so we're gonna get to spray painting all of these boxes, and then I'll make sure to show you guys the final result. All right. Alright you guys, so now I'm making a poster. I was tasked to decorate her chair and I didn't really know how I was going to do that, so I figured I would just make a poster and attach it to the chair above her so you know you can see it when she's sitting in it. So hopefully that gets executed the way that I would like it to. So I'm working on that now. I have all of this other stuff right here for everything else that I have to do. So what I'm gonna do is prop you guys up so you can watch me do it, I guess. So right here, all it is a poster from Dollar Tree, and these little borders are from Dollar Tree. I'm only gonna do it on the top and the bottom because I don't have enough to go around the whole thing, but I'm gonna make it work, so here we go. Ooh. My legs are really sore, you guys, from moving out, so and I feel like the camera's crooked, so let me straighten that. So if I look uncomfortable, it's because I am. I'm just going to cut this excess off. Another thing I'm not going to do is stress myself out trying to get this to look perfect. So honestly, it's going to be whatever it turns out to be, which is hopefully cute, but like I said, I'm not gonna stress about it, okay? I have markers, letters, lots of different color letters, and some gold ones. And I bought pastel paper if I wanted to do Denzel! Denzel! Come here. What do you think the poster should say?
Happy birthday, Irene.
Or should it say, because it's on her chair, you know? And so I'm like, should it say that? Or should it say like birthday girl, kiss the birthday girl, or happy 91st birthday, Irene? Or should it just say happy birthday, Irene?
I think happy birthday, Irene.
That's what you think? Okay. We'll see, y'all. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. Trying to make some shit. You know? Like I always do. So I decided just to use all letters because I don't know, I was feeling nervous. So for the card box too. Go to attach this. That's my vision, is to be able to attach this and have it just stand up straight.
want to take a picture?
I think on the other side of all these people. Yeah. Oh, yeah, look all right.
Oh, we can go around this way. What about we go over here? Let's go over there. That bench. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah. Grandma.
Happy birthday to you.
He said we ought to be whipped. She said.
Coming from just an only child situation, I always wanted a big family. I wanted 12 kids. I just thank God she stopped at 5. Me too. But that was what she'd always tell us. And what I want to show her today is that, God honors our desires of our heart. And He blessed her with a big family anyway. So on that day, she blossomed into a flower. And she became Irene, or Reen to her sister. And that seed then was planted and blossomed and grew. And to her 5 children, and to her 5 children, and from that, okay, now we got another part for that. You can handle that after we eat. We got that set aside. And from her 5 children were born 11 grandchildren. Gina?
The beautiful 11.
She's representing the 11 grandchildren.
That's the best generation.
The best generation in the world right here.
Let her tell her children.
Y'all are great. No, he ain't.
You might be the same age as him, but you forget all the
And from those 11 grandchildren,
forget you.
where am I? Okay, there were 20 great-grandchildren born.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we get down.
Two.
We get down.
So she can see it.
So 20 great-grandchildren were born. And from those 20 great-grandchildren, 6 great-great-great-grandchildren were born.
Great.
Just 2 great.
He's a great. He one of them.
He ain't one of them, but I don't have any of them here, so he had to represent.
I'm taking a video.
Go do this.
Okay.
I need a picture of my server.
Okay, let's not do this.
The best looking server.